In this video, we're going to show you how to install the air filter on your Toyota Camry located under your hood. Here with the hood open, go ahead and locate the air filter lid box right here. It's going to be two clips. It's going to be one right here. You're going to pull that down. And then there's one right here. Push that towards the windshield. Now as we lift this up, we're going to lift it up a little bit and then pull it towards us just a little bit. We're going to pull out two tabs on the back side. And that should allow us to lift up on this a little bit. Now in most cases, we can go ahead and snake this out. If you find that it's going to be a little bit easier for you to do so, you can disconnect this harness right here. And it's simple. You're just going to lift up on this little tab. Lift up and slide that off. And there's one on the back here as well. That gives you a little bit more room to lift up this lid. Good, snake that air filter right on out. You do want to go ahead and do a quick inspection on the inside. Make sure there isn't all kinds of debris inside. We have a couple leaves. Besides that, it's pretty clean. I'm going to go ahead and grab your air filter. Feed that down inside. You are going to have to make sure it fits in the proper way. Drop that down, lower the lid. Make sure you install the two tabs on the back. Line them up. Push that back and then down. Install the two clips. And then if you did remove the harness, simply line these up and push them back on. And you're all set.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.